Hi, I'm Mr. Lombardi, and this is Tad over here. And I'm a 6th grade science teacher here in LA, and I also happen to make science videos on YouTube. Why? Why do any of this? Why teach the kids? Why make videos? It's to spread science literacy. What is science literacy? It's the overall understanding and knowledge of certain scientific processes and ideas required for personal problem solving. Sometimes even survival.
Sounds like one big conspiracy. If you want to reference the internet, we got YouTube.
Don't worry about the heat lessening nutrients. This happens with all ovens, not just a microwave.
I don't want your knowledge or whatever. I want lasagna. Capiche? Welcome to Laboratory Larry. I'm Laboratory Larry.
But if you want to see more of me and that loser Lombardi, just subscribe.